Hey everybody, Adam Savage in my cave with a mailbox special. You guys send a lot of lovely stuff to us here at the mailbox, and I always really appreciate it. I want to state at the outset, this is in no way a call to send me things. I don't need any more things. Sometimes some of you are inspired, and I really appreciate that. Today's gift comes from Heiko. Today's gift comes from Heiko, who lives in Germany, but his wife helpfully sent this note that said, this is Heiko's wife, Marion, and I sent the package from Seattle because I was there on a business trip, but we live in Germany, and they're just making it easier to get this thing to me. That's hilarious. Best regards, Merry Christmas. Thank you. And I know that some of you send me stuff that you never see on the channel. That happens too. It is a very disorganized system we have here. Again, everything that we receive, we're really grateful for. We can't possibly cover it all on the channel. So what you end up seeing are highlights. I just want to state that at the outset. But Heiko sends me this. Heiko says, I'm a longtime admirer. I wanted to express my gratitude and your passion for making. Then goes on to explain to me that my philosophy, process, and insistence resonate, and actually he started his own YouTube channel. We'll include a link to that in the description. What he has sent in gratitude for the channel and for my output and our output here at Tested is this: a German civil defense medics bag from the 1960s. That's awesome. Okay, here's some of the history. It was originally used by volunteer medic helpers during civilian protection operations. The bag still contains all of its original equipment. No. Updated over the years of use, carefully preserved and untouched for decades. Okay, that's really cool. I was fortunate to recover it from the flooded storage room of our local volunteer fire department, where I serve as a firefighter myself. Well, hello. To me, the bag represents history, service, and the spirit of helping others in times of need, all values I know you deeply appreciate. Thank you, I do. And he finishes with some more lovely words and some thank yous. Heiko. Why did I say Heinrich? Heiko, let's get this beautiful thing open. It is in spectacular shape. Yes, the neck strap might be a little bit crunchy over here, but that's the only crunchiness I can see. Everything else looks about as supple as the year it was issued. Not the day, but the year. Okay, so I'll undo this marvelous. Oh, and then there's these two things on the side. Oh, wow, what? Right there. So, I see. Oh, this is great. Okay, wait, I'm gonna demo this beauty. So here you've got your medic bag, and there's someone in need, and that is, you have access to everything while helping them. It's like a portable workbench. That's not just a bag. Oh my gosh, I've got to use this idea. Okay. That is freaking cool. Okay, so the equipment that it is, we've got surgical gauze, we've got some what look like moleskin, yeah, that kind of thing. Love these kinds of finds, so exciting. We've got a pad. It's all in German, of course. Oh, but look, it's like the cards for each of the patients they're seeing with, is this a carbon too? Yeah, it does look like it's a carbon, so you can actually be marking these up and not mark them through. Oh, that's very cool. Tweezers, excellent. Soft nose scissors, excellent. A useful pencil, marvelous. Just some rags, yeah. Rags for tying things up, tourniquets, yes. You know, also, yeah, that's absolutely. We have some tape. This is probably liquid aspirin. It says apothec, which is apothecary is the root. Anyway, yeah. Hoffman's, it might be ibuprofen. Hoffmannstropofen. I apologize profusely. Oh yeah, we're gonna use Google Translate on these. Oh, Rhodes Cruises Red Cross, nice. drops, sure. I saw that myself. These words are too long. Hang on, I gotta write it down here. Will Google Translate work on my handwriting? Valerian drops. Looking up valerian. Valerian is a flowering plant whose dried roots are used as an herbal supplement for promoting relaxation and improving sleep by affecting brain chemicals like GABA, similar to some anti-anxiety drugs. It's used as an anxiety and stress reducer, sleep aid, and there's less evidence, but it's also used for menopause symptoms, headaches, digestive issues, and cramps. Okay, now we're going to look up Hofmannstropofen. All right. Hoffman's drops. That doesn't give me anything. What are the, okay, here we go. These might be coffee pills. Let's see. Tablets with caffeine. Anti-neuralgia tablets with caffeine. I believe that's anti-nausea. Neuralgia? Forgive my ignorance there. Wait, neuralgia. Oh, okay. Wow. So neuralgia is a sharp burning pain that follows the path of an irritated or damaged nerve. I've definitely felt that in the past. Okay. I'm learning a lot today. Here we've got some more gauze. And now we've got our extra compartment here. So we've got some rubber gloves. We have a little. Oh, this looks like sugar. Looks like, yeah. Yes, these are sugar cubes. They're called the Bavarian dice. That's marvelous. Some sugar. I guess that's to help the medicine go down. I would have to hand in my dad card if I didn't make that joke. Oh, this is really fun. This is great. All right, so what do we got here? Instructions for use. What is this? Bandage packet. Okay. Let's see here. Triangular scarf. Okay, so they got a large featuring of triangular scarves in German medical practice, I guess. Oh, there's so much more. These all seem to be different kinds of packets of bandages and things, but we're going to be checking that. Oh, man. More of that business. Oh, yeah, there's some like ACE bandages. These are, yeah, some flexible bandages. First aid kit. Okay, so those are first aid kits. That's a first aid kit, first aid dressing pack. This is a compress, another, oh no, I think I haven't read this one yet. Let's see, come on, what do you, first aid kit. Pull the colored dressing out of the wound. Wrap wound in a knot. That sounds like pretty good advice. More of this, lots and lots of dressing. Lots and lots of dressings. You're right, Heiko. I really do appreciate exactly this kind of dip into history and the beautiful ethos of helping your neighbors out in times of need. It's exactly the ethos we could use right now. And this has been a fascinating dive into a almost 70-year-old medical pack. This is a beautiful bit of history to add to my collection, and I thank you. And I thank you for getting it to me and writing this beautiful letter. Thanks to your wife for flying with it to Seattle and shipping it to me locally. And we will include a link to your YouTube channel in our description. Thanks everybody for joining me for this beautiful show and tell. Yeah, that is fabulous. That might be the name of the original owner. Who knows? I will see you guys next time. Stay safe. You're still here? Great. I want to tell you about some of the stuff we've got for sale at adamsavage.com, including a new gear bag. I know it looks like two gear bags, but these are two versions of the same bag. And this is a new line we're calling the Everyday Gear Bag, or EDGB. This is inspired by a gear bag I made for a piece of kit last year. I found this beautiful red zipper I really liked, and then I took some sailcloth and I made a bag of this form factor, and I just sort of fell in love with this kind of lunchboxy kind of thing. So we made a bunch of them. Most of them are in red. A few precious ones are in orange. And if we sell out, we will make some more. Go to adamsavage.com and get yours today.